So I wanted to do a review today of the Light My Fire steel. Hopefully you can see that. So it comes in this little bag here. And I have another piece of fire steel, excuse me, but it's generic, and I can tell you that this works a lot better than that other stuff does. It's under $20. It's got a little emergency whistle here. Let's see if I can. It's pretty loud. It just has the magnesium fire steel here and a striker. So I built a little fire outside. I used dryer lint, and dryer lint goes up like that, which is probably why you should clean your dryer vent in your house dryer. But anyway, I'll show you the video of that. Once you get the flame going, it's up to you to keep your fire going. And for under $20, I think this is great. It's much better than the generic stuff I have. And I plan on carrying this with me when I do some hiking. So there you have it. It works really well. It's cheap. It's got a little whistle. Takes a little skill or a little trial and error to get that whistle going, but it works well, and I'm happy with it, especially for the price. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great Saturday.
So kommt das coole Stück an. Machen wir es sogar auf. Ja, falsche Richtung. Okay. So. Jetzt machen wir wahrscheinlich eine kleine Schutzschicht drauf. Ui, los. Na. Doch ein bisschen Übung gefragt. Ja, da üben wir noch mal eine Runde und dann wird es schon hinhauen.